In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow TradingView on Tradovate Enable add-on to buy-sell directly. By the end, you'll be able to place orders right from your TradingView charts while your trades route through your Tradovate account, which is a huge time saver and keeps your analysis and execution in one place. First, sign in to your Tradovate account at trader.tradovate.com. Once you're in, head to Application Settings, then open the Add-on section. Look for the TradingView add-on and switch it on. This enables the connection between Tradovate and TradingView. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're in the correct workspace and that your platform has access to add-ons. A quick refresh of the page can also help the menu update after changes. After enabling the add-on, don't worry if nothing seems to change right away. Activation can take some time on the back end, sometimes up to 4 hours. That delay is normal because the system needs to provision your account for the TradingView connection. Use this waiting period to review your trading preferences in Tradovate, like default order size and order confirmations, so they're ready to go. If it's been a while, logging out and back in can help once activation completes. Next, move over to TradingView. Open any chart, then look at the bottom of the screen for the Trading Panel tab. Click it to open the list of supported brokers and select Tradovate. This is where you initiate the connection, so TradingView knows to route orders through your Tradovate account. If a small window prompts you to allow the connection, confirm it so the two platforms can talk to each other. Finally, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your Tradovate credentials and choose whether you want to connect to a demo or live account. If you're doing this for the first time, it's a great idea to start in demo mode to test the workflow and make sure your order settings, chart trading tools, and confirmation prompts behave the way you expect. Once connected, you'll see account details in the trading panel and an order ticket on the chart. Double-check that the selected account matches your intent, demo or live, and verify your order quantity, order type, and time in force before placing a trade. If the connection indicator shows you're online but orders don't route, give it a moment and refresh the chart after activation has fully propagated. That's it. Enable the add-on in Tradovate, allow time for activation, connect from the TradingView trading panel, then log in and start trading. Keep your credentials secure and always confirm you're in the right account before clicking buy or sell.